how to assign the right-click tool and secondary tool in Logic Pro X. We go to the Logic Pro dropdown, Settings, General. Here we make sure we're in the Editing subtab, and right mouse button is assignable to a tool. Underneath that, you want to make sure Fade Tool Click Zones is also checked. I will go over the Marquee Tool Click Zones. I'll check it and go over it, and then we can close this. Now you're going to notice if I'm on the bottom half of a layer, I have the crosshairs. If I'm on the top half, I have the arrow. So if I'm on the bottom half, I can do selections or I can single click. If I single click and then on the top click, it'll allow me to split it. If I select something and then go to the top and click, it'll allow me to split and cut it. If I just go to the top, I can then drag it. Now, assigning your right-click tool, you'll notice that now there are a few extra drop-downs here that weren't there before. And you can assign your right mouse button to any of these. I love the scissors because I just use it so much when I lay stuff and just want to cut. Sometimes I forget about the Marquee tool that I can just go like this, and that's 2 clicks. So this is still only 1. And then in the center, this is everything available to you also through shortcuts. You don't see them when you click on it, but you do see them when you press T. Then you can see all the shortcuts for everything else. Okay, if you don't like having your fade tool enabled, then just remember A at all times. So when you do want to fade something, you would press T, A. So now you see the little fade tool icon and I can go ahead and fade stuff. Now you should be set up with your mouse. Left click, right click, and T for dropping down into any of the other stuff you want to quickly get access to. And that is how to assign your secondary tool and your right click to scissors in Logic Pro X. Let's go to the next lesson.